Tack Talk with Paul from the Western Experience.
Hey, Paul here from the Western Experience. You know, I have Daryl Nephew here with me. He's from Tucker Saddles, Circle Y, Reinsman. This guy knows a lot about saddles. And one of the questions that we get asked all the time is, I have a gaited horse. What's the best saddle for my horse? Or I have a mule, and I need a mule saddle. So Daryl will tell us a little more about, it's all about the fit of the saddle. It isn't necessarily what the saddle's called. Isn't that right?
That's a great, well, I get that all the time. People calling in asking about their breed of horse. And it's got, the horses and mules have changed so much that we actually fit conformation now. We don't even really talk much about breed. Now there's some breed ideas, but really what we're looking at is conformation. And so we make saddle, we have about 14 different tree widths, but the normal tree widths, we call medium, wide, extra wide. Our medium saddle fits thoroughbred type horses. Our wide tree fits traditional quarter horse conformation. And our extra wide fits kind of foundation style horses. And within those three, you have that type of horse in all different breeds.
Right.
And man, it's amazing how many gaited horses go or ride our extra wide saddle. I was even at Walt Disney World, they use our saddles. They have these big draft horses. They ride a wide, they use a wide tree, you know.
So just because they're big doesn't mean they don't have withers and they don't have a typical conformation they can have. So
you know, when we fit horses, you're only fitting about 8 to 10 inches from the backbone. And so that's really what you're looking at. So it's amazing. Now there are saddles out there with gaited horse attributes, but the tree may not be any different than a normal quarter horse tree.
Yep. So keep that in mind when you're looking for a saddle. Don't get locked into, because I have a gaited horse, I need a gaited saddle. We have saddles, we do have gaited trees, but the bottom line is the saddle has to fit the horse. That's where we can help you. We'll make sure the saddle is the right fit and that your horse is moving in it. We have a great tryout program, try before you buy. We're easy to work with. We do saddle fittings both in-house and we'll make farm calls. So just remember, when you're fitting that saddle, it's the tree that needs to fit the horse, the seats for you, and we can merge that combination together to make sure you get the right fit on your horse.
Please subscribe for another Tack Talk feature with Paul, coming soon.